Vedanta Group Chairman Anil Agarwal, after completing the acquisition of Cairn India, may now be looking at setting up a refinery in partnership with an oil PSU. Not just that, Cairn India could also be looking at a share buyback. Here's an excerpt from an exclusive chat with ET Now's Nisha Pottar with Anil Agarwal.
Oil India is splitting up, and we'll be, whatever they want us to be partner, that is not our core strength, but the other company has a strength and we'll support them. Petroleum Ministry is very keen for us to remain focused, to put our hard-earned money in more on the exploration. We have a both asset, we have an asset offshore and onshore. We have a Rawa which has a lot of potential, we'll take it forward. And we have in Rajasthan, we are looking in Africa, we are looking Sri Lanka. These are the area we are looking. And as I said, I'm all positive we'll do it. But my whole focus at this point of time to put big money to find more oil, to make our country as more energy security than anything else.
And what about the cash which is sitting with Cairn India? What are you going to do with that cash? What is the utilization that can be lined up?
We have as you know, this is the first year we generated cash. We might go for some buyback. We need some fund to capital expenditure. That's how we'll be looking.
So you'll go for a buyback, sir?
Can be.
Yeah. Okay. And talking about Hindustan Zinc and Balco, now that is one deal that has been languishing for a very long time. It has really taken longer than even Cairn India deal, and for many years you have been going to the government for buying out the residual stake. Now you have even got this enabling resolution from Vedanta shareholders of upping the offer to about 21,000 crore rupees. What is the sense that you're getting from the government, sir?
This is not, we have to reply. We are not in hurry also to ramp up. We have gone to enabling resolution not to ramp up the price, just to take something in our hand when the government comes. Because government indicate various times that they want to, because that's how their intention was. When they given the company, they wanted to give full. But they said that we will do it in 2 or 3 years time, where there is a put and call option, which we can exercise, and that was the whole idea. And we work with the government as and when governments are ready.
In Orissa, you're not getting bauxite at the moment, and with LME of aluminium really at lower levels right now, sourcing bauxite from outside will not be a very easy thing and will not make feasible sense. In Tuticorin, there is a court judgment which is reserved on environmental concerns. If metals is not going to perform, is oil and gas the next big bet that you are looking at?
Last 30 years, no bauxite mine has taken place.
Right.
You know, and for us, most natural material to produce is aluminum.
Right.
India is the best for our country because we have abundant bauxite, human resource, and we have abundant coal. The government is thinking right to create a revenue model to do the auction. We are countries entirely depend on the one company, Coal India, for the coal. So government is thinking the right direction to auction.
Which is the next sector that you could be looking at?
No, naturally it will come. Coal is very important.